Second Sunday. What up, you, babe? I love you always and forever. I miss you already. I ain't gonna be able to stay too long, but got some ravioli. This is what we would have for breakfast today. Got some ravioli, and I know you would be drooling for some donuts. Gotta make a joke. Bailey said you always gotta play. So, you know, like her ass ain't fat, but her ass ain't flat. She got that little Debbie, feel me? Love you, babe. The lighting's probably not good. I should probably face toward the sun. Ask me, do I care? No. But I have to keep moving. Like I would rather like stay and eat with breakfast with her. Just to, you know, just in remembrance always. But it's early in the morning, 9 o'clock. Not that early, but it's only gonna get hotter. So I have to walk a little bit of a ways. I gotta drop some, I got that black hoodie. It's nice and cool. I didn't bleached it, so I did something to it, and I'm gonna just have to put that away. I'm gonna drop some stuff off in storage, just to make room in my bag. It's just, you know, a little too packed, a little too heavy. You know how they be like, megawatt, kilowatt, gigawatt, nigga, what? So apparently, if your weather app has not been acting right or giving you inaccurate readings for the weather, it would be nice to know when it's going to rain so you can properly prepare yourself and whatnot. But this is Chief Jahara with the fake news. Apparently, I don't know enough. I just know a little bit of some. I just seen something on social media news. So apparently, like 40% of meteorologists got fired or something like that. I don't know if it has something to do with Elon or Trump. I don't fuck with politics, but politics fucks with you, right? I don't know what the fuck happened, but apparently they say that's why the weather app ain't been, they stopped sending enough little weather balloons up in the sky and all this. I don't fucking know, but apparently something going on. I got 3 guitars, but I'm probably moving stuff around, so look for stuff. Welcome to the graffiti jungle. This is the fake Rockstar chat show. I'm your Chief Jahara. I think this is episode 5. Let's see if graffiti silk venom T-Pain and Tarantula Tyrannosaur is still alive. All right, last week we left 3 crickets, and hey, we got movement. All right. Okay. Yeah. As long as you're alive. It's the last one. Graffiti silk venom T-Pain and Tarantula Tyrannosaur. So I don't see any crickets in there. I think that's a good sign. I think that's a cricket right there. I left it so that all 3 crickets were visible. I think that's a cricket right here at the edge of the thing. So there were 3 crickets. And so there are 2 I really don't see, but I do see 1 right there. So here's the bleach hoodie again from yesterday. I feel like I may touch it again. I'm just not sure. And if I do, it's gonna have to be somewhere. Like that's the bull part, the head of the bull and whatnot. But it might have to just be somewhere up in here, and I'm not even sure what I would really do. But we'll see one day. We got the guitar posing as a mannequin. It was a nice gesture to have the book, but it's just extra weight. So I'll just read this a little bit, just to say I read. Dialysis involves passing all the patient's blood out of his or her body through a machine and back in. It is an unlikely and miraculous treatment, so that's all good, but it's not pleasant. It must happen 5 to 7 times a week and for 8 hours at a time. It should happen every time the patient sleeps. That's too much. No one wants to stay on dialysis. So basically dialysis is like filtering your blood. Like all your blood is drained out and back into your body while you're sleeping. Yeah, that's crazy. I might let her rock. This hat has been sitting on top of the other hat. See? That red little, yeah. This hat has been sitting on top of the other hat, so like this part started to droop. And this is the other hat in question. I ain't wear these Jones in a little minute. Let's get on the fake Rockstar. I packed my whole bag, zipped it up, just so I could put my jacket in there. Tell me why I forgot the tripod. I'm one of them. You know, they was making that joke like, oh, I gotta go back and get my tripod. I'm not, I need to go get my tripod. Like, fuck no. I'm one of them type of people. I ain't even gonna hold you. But, pause. This is too big. That's what she said. This little piggy is just right. You know what I'm saying? I can fold that up even a little more. Issue is, what do you call a tripod with no legs? I haven't said that in a while. Yes, but it's the legs. So we have a goal, we have a mission. The mission, maybe, kind of, sort of. See if we can find a tripod, but not just any tripod. We really like this one because it was magnetic. Also, the last mobile charger, completely, I think I maybe used it once. I never even charged the charger. I never even did the whole experiment trying to charge it up in the second, third. It just wasn't better than my current charger. It didn't have the magnetic charging. It didn't have a USB-C. So it's not going to be good for me. You know what I'm saying? It's not going to make my life, it wasn't making things easier. So the goal for today, either both or one of the two, try to see if we can get a tripod and a mobile battery pack. I'm not going to show you all my creation, but I just realized this toy doesn't even work. That is crazy. You ever had to count your days? So we're going to try this one. Now, this one I know for sure has the mag charging. That's a plus. And it only said mag charging though. And it's supposed to be slim. So let's see what's going on here. And I just want to check. You had one charger, you had another. All right. So we got the mag charging, and so mag charging, and it also has a kickstand. It has mag charging and it also has a kickstand. So I did see a brand in there, and it said MOPHIE. I think that was the this brand, I think, and this is the one that I really, this is Old Faithful, reliable. Mag charging, can charge multiple devices, USB-C, Android charging, and USB. So this one, it looks like it's just mag charging. It looks like it's just mag charging. But I see this right here, that button. So I'm not sure what that button's about. It's hot as hell. How hot is it? So hot I could cook some eggs on the sidewalk. Damn, let me see decorate. Damn, this shit ain't got no motherfucking. Oh, so my only thing is it has a USB-C port right here. So I'm not sure if I put the USB-C port into the phone, will it charge? That's something I'm gonna figure out as well. But I know it's supposed to be doing the magnetic, whatchamacallit. Now, we're supposed to be looking for a tripod, right? If the other one was too big and the other one was too small, pause, that's what she said. This shit right here, nigga, I ain't never, listen, like for real, like I ain't never had one of these type of tripods. You know what I'm saying? Simply because I'm trying to be mobile on the go, but yet it does, you know what I'm saying, fit in my bag, so it will just fit in the bag. That's all right. That's cool. But it's supposed to be, it's at 17.8 to 52 inches. So that's about how many feet? 4 times 12 is 48. So that would be 48 feet. This is going to be doing a lot. Like, I don't have an actual camera, so I don't need that. I need the phone part. However, that needs to go up there. So let me get this part set up. All right, so this part for the phone, I twisted it on top of this. And so now we're gonna see how, we'll put it as tall as it can be, right? Does it get any taller? Yeah, any taller, yeah. This seems like it's going to be the max height for it. That seems like it's going to be the max height. So, potentially, if I ever, when I guess feel like it, that's one thing I would say, like, as far as like what I kind of don't like. Well, it just depends. Like, it doesn't have that little adjustable thing to put your phone in. You gotta unscrew it. I hope you get what I'm trying to say. Like my other tripod, you kind of like just push the phone in and it adjusts. It adjusts. But this one, boom, here. Now I can, stand tall and speak. Depending on how I want to, especially when I be trying to show off the fashion and whatnot, that'd be a whole thing. So, we accomplished the objectives for today. We accomplished all objectives for today. Tripod, and let me just see if it will charge the phone with the cord. Because I'm confident that it will charge the itself, right? That's what this was for. So let's see what ends up. And it just came straight out the box, so I'm not even sure if it's, if it has any charge. So let me see something. It says 2. There are 4 bars right here. I'm assuming this is the on and off button. It says 2. Well, I see 2 lit up. I'm not sure if my phone started charging though. I'm gonna check to see if my phone's charging. Okay, so yeah, my phone is charging. So I can charge it with this, and I have the option to charge wirelessly. So this is good. It just doesn't have an actual USB. My phone doesn't have USB, so that's okay. My phone has USB-C. So for the phone, cool. It's gonna be able to charge the phone both ways. And I will probably just have to try one more thing. I don't know if you used to watch Jackie Chan Adventures. Jackie! I gotta try one more thing. I gotta see if I can charge. Well, this is the only thing with USB. If I had my other phone, I would be able to see if it could charge 2 devices, if it could charge this way and that way at the same time. But, well, I'm not mad at it, and so far it looks like it's going to be okay.